I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder of AskSAMIE. My 16 years of experience working with older adults has led me to believe that accessibility should be a right instead of a privilege. And I'm blessed that this passion has attracted a team of like-minded individuals. Willie is our CTO with proven talent for aligning business strategy with product development to create tools that improve the lives of those that need it most. Katie is our Director of Operations. As an OT assistant by trade, she has the professional experience that proves how accessibility in the home should be more attainable. Reed is our Director of Strategic Partnerships and is excellent at combining her OT skills with an eye for problem solving to see ways to make AskSAMIE a true marketplace. Here is the desktop version of AskSAMIE. We go through 6 problem areas including vision and incontinence, using hands and arms, memory, aging in place, and mobility. Choose the biggest issue first. We'll go with using hands and arms. Here, you get to narrow down the focus. We'll choose tremors and hands. And if you have questions about how to answer this question well, there's always a video available giving you more details. You'll find pro tips and related resources as you go through the app based on the problem areas you choose. And then you end up with the solution.